that. So the most important, the most important problem that take place is groupism, and just because one is looking, their appearance is not good, just because they are poor, just because of like small problems we face, we face some, we want to take that person far away from us. So this so the problems in one school, they are taking a lot of groupisms and popular students and not popular students. So whenever we do some we divide in groups. When in one group, the one who is popular and the one who is not, we say boringly studies people, nerds and all. So they discriminate on each other because just because they are no, you see, this person is not looking good, this people is not looking active and all. So that's why these are the problems we face, and bullying is taking place. So I think maybe some schools like us, they didn't face much problems, but then small bullying problems. We don't say physical bullying. In bullying there are a lot of things like emotional bullying, just emotional bullying, not only doing physical. No, some problems face in some small issues take place in bullying, and also